Hey everyone, this is DemainaNyx, and I'm back with more Human Time Machine. Wow, Human Resource Machine. I cannot read, I swear. Okay, now I would like to point out something. I actually thought about this one a little bit. I'm going to quickly see if I can remember how I got the answer when I did it, whatever. So I'll fast forward until that point and see if I can actually show you what I came up with. Okay, there we go. That's at least the one I was thinking of. I don't know. Okay. I don't think it did. No. Yeah, it's not effective. Basically, what you're doing there, it's in computer terms, it's called a bubble sort, which is basically you take one value, compare it, figure out what's the biggest one from that, and you put it in a certain column. And then you do it again with the next value, and you do that again. That's what I was trying to do with the other one, I just kept failing at it. So speed challenge is going to take me a little bit more. I have a feeling it's a lot less loops. It's more compare A to B, compare B to C, compare A to C, do that, you're done. Something like that. I'm going to ignore that one for right now. But luckily I was able to figure that one out. I mean, I still haven't looked into any of the other ones. But we're going to keep going on. Zero terminated sums. Yes, we believe in educating our employees on the job here. Do you know what a zero terminated string is? Oh, God. Yes, it's a very old technique and we don't expect you to know. You may ask me about it if you like, or you may ask some external source. Whatever helps you get the job done. The inbox is filled with zero terminated strings. What's that? Ask me, your boss. Add together all the strings. When you reach the end of a string marked by a zero, put your sum outbox. Okay. So, inbox. That should handle some of it. Oops. Hold on. That's what I was missing. No. Ah, that's what I'm not doing. I'm not. Oops. Yes, I know. Okay, inbox copy to 0. If 0. Then you exit what you're holding. Otherwise, you go to the inbox and you gotta check if 0 again. Nope, stop, stop. Yep, I know. Okay, so if 0, copy from 0 to outbox. There you go. Not bad. Too many if zeros. Yep. Hey, fewer steps. This is the problem. If I could minimize that, it would be ideal. The problem is I don't know of a way. That might be it, actually. I'm sorry, my gosh. Hey, show me. Ah, okay. Copy. Ah, that's why. think I'm back to my original. Okay, man. No, this is what I had. That's why I was trying to get rid of that extra. But yeah. This is why programming can be really fun and really crazy all at the same time, because you get situations like these where it looks like it's a very simple program, but there's ways to optimize it. And it's really frustrating, especially when you're starting out, when you're trying to figure out why your code is failing and you have no reason to expect it to be failing. Yeah. One command. That's all I was trying to improve, and it just drives you up the wall. Okay, the littlest number. To reduce our carbon footprint, management is requesting the smallest numbers only. This is a public relations exercise. The results are straight to the landfill. Are going straight to the landfill. Oh, good. For each zero-terminated string in the inbox, send the outbox only the smallest number you've seen in that string. You will never be given an empty string. Cool. Reset and repeat for each string. This is a zero-terminated string. Go ask your boss the previous one. Okay. So for this, all we want to do is keep the smallest value. We don't care about any other value, just the smallest value. So this will be my min value. And then everything else we're going to copy into one. So copy to min. Because so far that's the smallest number we've seen. Then you go into the inbox again and you get the next value. And you subtract it from our min value. So if you have 3 and you subtract 13, that'll be negative 10. So if it's 0 or negative, because we're back to this again, that means they're the same if it's 0. I have to write this down. If it's negative, that means that the new value is greater than the min. Correct. So otherwise, that means min is greater. Oh, I can't spell. Is greater. Nope, I'm just writing the same thing. Okay. So if min is not the smallest, that means we need to copy. Need to add min. And then copy that to min. Otherwise, we just go get the next value. And once we have a 0, we output min. Nope, not 6, min. And we're going to jump in. So we skip those two. Think that'll work. Let's try it. See this. Yes. Okay, hold on. Nope, back up. I have it reversed. So it was positive. It's the one you're holding. I have to remember that. It's the one you're holding, subtracting from the value. Okay. Let's try this again. That's the smallest value we've seen yet. That's not a 0, so you subtract. It's positive. Okay, what am I? I had this reversed. Hold on. So it's positive. So it should go into the center. And we should discard. Ah, that's why. Positive. Discard. We'll pick up the new one. Negative. Put it in there. 0, so that means pick up that, put it there. So far, so good. I like it. Haven't yelled at me yet. 14. 82. I'm sure there's a very simple way to avoid what I have. I could probably get rid of that. Because if it's 0, that means they're either the same or equal. Probably going to yell at me because I got rid of that. There we go. One little change, and it's optimized. That's the problem with coding. One more. Cumulative countdown. Oh, yay. What is the purpose of this assignment? I think it's something about calculating the volume beneath staircases. Ugh. We have to put the intern somewhere. For each thing in the inbox, outputs the sum of itself plus all numbers down to 0. For example, if it is 3, it should be 6, because it should be 3 plus 2 plus 1. Okay. Ugh. So, inbox. Copy to. First value. Okay. Copy to 0. Bump. Oops, nope, I gotta check if 0 first. Because if it's 0, we don't have to output anything, which would just be 0. We can skip some steps. Okay, so for 3, you're going to put that here. No, we're going to ignore that for now. So we want to basically want to bump down. Because that would give us a 2. Because then we can do 3 plus 2. Now we add that. It's not 0. So it jumps back up and saves that there. Then we subtract from that. Add. But that's never going to be 0. That's the problem. Oh, I'm not outputting. Dumb. Dumb, dumb, dumb. Ooh. Okay, so we're gonna also have to do a bump. Okay, so if 0, we just output that. Copy to 0. So we take the 3, we put it there. Copy to sum. Subtract 1 from that value and add it to the sum. I think I'm making this more complicated. I think I need to get rid of you. Okay, hold on. I may have to auto bump that. Okay, so I need to output that. Okay, hold on. I gotta restart. Because I was doing that completely wrong. Inbox, copy to sum. Okay. So first, if 0, just get rid of it and outputs. I think. I'm not sure if it wants me to output 0 or not. $12 or fewer, 82 steps. Okay, so they do want a 0 if it's a 0. Wait a minute, you said 10. I think that's what I had originally. Because plus the sum of itself plus all the numbers down to 0. not complete. I swear, it's what I had before. I'm pretty sure that's what I had before. Oh well. Booyah. I'm more efficient. Beat that. That's always a fun thing to see, is when you're more efficient than what they thought was possible. Granted, that could be I'm just forgetting something, but they gave it to me, so I'm gonna go with it. Uh-oh. Oh, gosh. Yeah, that's kind of ominous. No, I would not be that calm. Even less calm now. It's War of the Worlds. Artificial intelligence. Gotta worry about it. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that there for today. Hopefully this was enjoyable to watch. I have a few. I think this is the last. Yep, that's the last one. So I'm not sure how far I'm gonna get in, because these recent ones have been taking me a little bit of time to get through them. Hopefully I have enough. I've been trying to go a little bit longer than normal, because I know I'm cutting out a lot of it, because I don't think you want to sit there and watch me, be quiet for the entire time. So I'm going to leave that there. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.